Presenting a pre-owned 2004 Chevrolet Venture LS. This four-door van has a 6-cylinder, 3-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This Chevrolet has less than 117,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in very good overall condition. Key features include CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, and power windows. Come in and test drive today. All vehicles are professionally inspected by our knowledgeable service department. We offer no worries financing with our Buy Here Pay Here finance program. Grand Junction Affordable Auto Sales. 970-242-0788. Reliable vehicles, affordable prices.